Hey there, this is Gabriela with another video. Okay, let's talk about some people ask for change the name of the subdomains. The subdomains, what you need to do is right click here, and then on this area it's gonna show this area, and you can just grab the whole thing, and that way you can rename it. Definitely I don't do it because first of all take a lot of time, and if something is working the way it is, I'm not going to change it. The first thing you need to always thinking is about how to do it faster, that way you can have time in another things to do. Okay, that's one of the things. What you need to do is just right click on this area, click advanced, and then in here you can also Control A and then Control C, put it in here. Okay, and in that way you can see exactly how it is, and you can make the changes if you want. I leave it like that, and that's one of the main reason of the keywords. When you use your keywords, okay, you can see how this part start changing. And this is definitely the most important part. Not about the other numbers, and no, this is the part I want to use. Atlanta, that way, like plumber, Atlanta, I use Atlanta plumber también. Okay, plumber near me is you are using for SEO, local SEO. Okay, and you can start like plumber and HVAC or anything. You can see start showing up here, and that's why it's so important to add the keyword relevant to the main keyword you are using, because that way in the subdomain it's gonna have the name included, and that's the most important part. Okay, please, if you have any question, don't hesitate. You can contact me, Telegram, WhatsApp, or just write down an answer on the description or the answer area. Okay, thank you, see you to the next time.